Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sony fans, get ready, because 2025 might just bring us one of the most powerful hybrid cameras ever, the Sony A7V. Over the past decade, Sony's A7 series has transformed from an experimental full-frame mirrorless idea into the industry standard for creators worldwide. From wedding photographers and travel vloggers to wildlife shooters and filmmakers, the A7 line has been the go-to choice for versatility and innovation. And now, the leaks and rumors suggest that the upcoming Sony A7V could be the biggest leap forward since the legendary A7 III. In this video, we'll break down the latest leaks and rumors about the Sony A7V. So, if you're wondering whether the Sony A7V is worth the hype, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect from Sony's next-generation full-frame beast. Introduction. Start with excitement and hype, Sony Alpha fans. 2025 is shaping up to be huge with the rumored launch of the Sony A7V. Position the A7V as a flagship hybrid full-frame camera designed for both photographers and filmmakers. Set expectations. It's meant to bridge the gap between the A7 IV and Sony A1. Include SEO keywords early. Sony A7V leaks, rumors, specs, release date, price, purpose. Grab attention in the first minute and tell viewers why this camera is a big deal. History and evolution. Brief timeline of the A7 series. A7, 2013, Sony's first affordable full-frame mirrorless. A7 II, 2014, introduced 5-axis IBIS. A7 III, 2018, the basic model that redefined value. A7 IV, 2021, hybrid powerhouse with 33 MP and strong video tools. Here we go. Feature by feature. Sensor, 44 MP BSI CMOS or 33 MP stacked CMOS. 2 possible prototypes. Next generation full-frame sensor, 44 MP BSI or 33 MP stacked. The heart of any camera is its sensor, and the Sony A7V is rumored to bring a huge leap. 2 possibilities are circulating: a 44 MP BSI CMOS sensor, which would provide incredible resolution for detail-rich photography, landscapes, commercial work, high-end portraits. Or a 33 MP stacked sensor, designed for speed and low-light performance. Either way, expect better dynamic range, faster readout speeds, and minimal rolling shutter. Sony could also include dual native ISO for stunning low-light shooting. AI-powered autofocus system. Sony already leads the industry with its real-time IAF, but the A7V may take it even further. Leaks suggest AI-based subject recognition trained to identify humans, animals, birds, cars, and even insects. Improved sticky tracking that works across the frame at near 100% coverage. Better low-light autofocus sensitivity, possibly down to -8 EV.6K oversampled 4K video plus RAW support. Filmmakers are buzzing about this one. The Sony A7V is expected to shoot 6K oversampled 4K video with crisp detail. Advanced in-body image stabilization, up to 8 stops. The A7 IV offered 5.5 stops, but the A7V could push stabilization to 7 to 8 stops. Gyro sensors plus AI algorithms will deliver smoother handheld video. Great for low-light stills, allowing slower shutter speeds without blur. Pairing with Sony OSS lenses could push stabilization even further. Faster burst shooting and buffer. Sports and wildlife photographers will love this. Thanks to the faster processor and stacked sensor. 20-30 frames per second continuous shooting is rumored, with electronic shutter. Larger buffer depth for raw bursts without slowing down. Minimal viewfinder blackout, making it feel like shooting with an optical viewfinder. Improved EVF and LCD display. Expect a major jump in display's 9.44 m. EVF with a high refresh rate, 120 to 240 Hz, for a lifelike view. Fully articulating 3.2-inch LCD with brighter output for outdoor use. Dual card slots, CF Express Type A+, 2 SD storage. Flexibility is a must for professionals, and the A7V will likely feature 1 CF Express Type A slot for high-speed video and burst photography. Better heat management and longer battery life. Sony cameras are powerful, but overheating has been a complaint in the past. With the A7V, optimized processor efficiency for longer recording times. Next-gen connectivity and workflow. The Sony A7V won't just be about shooting, it's about working smarter. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 for faster file transfers. USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 with direct SSD recording support. Competitive price point, $2,799 to $2,999. Sony knows the A7V has to balance innovation with accessibility. Expected price range $2,799 to $2,999. Body only. Travel creators compact body, long battery life, durability, release date and pricing. Expected announcement in late 2025, possibly at Sony's October or November event. Shipping likely by holiday season 2025 or early 2026. Predicted price, $2,799 to $2,999. Body, only Sony A7V versus competition. Compare against major rivals. Canon R6 strong AF but lower resolution. Nikon Z7 III great dynamic range, but slower AF. Panasonic S2H successor video beast but weaker AF. Sony advantage, balanced hybrid performance. Future of Sony Alpha line where A7V fits in Sony's lineup. Between A7 IV and A1. Potential impact on A7S series, low-light video specialists. So, there you have it, the Sony A7V. A camera that, if the leaks are to be believed, could redefine the hybrid mirrorless category once again. From a next-gen AI autofocus system to cinema-grade video tools, faster burst shooting, improved stabilization, and future-proof connectivity, the A7V looks ready to become the ultimate workhorse for professionals and content creators in 2025. If you're a photographer, this camera promises higher resolution and low-light power. If you're a filmmaker, you'll get 6K oversampled 4K RAW and incredible dynamic range. And if you're a creator on the go, you'll appreciate the reliability, cooling, and battery life upgrades. The rumored release date is late 2025, with a price point around $2,799 to $2,999, and at that range, the Sony A7V could very well dominate the prosumer market. Drop your thoughts in the comments, like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future updates.